As I'm doing it, I'm like, fuck it, shut up.
This is Wayne. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Sorry, can you hear me? I came over to say hi. You're really cute. What's your name? Have a good one. I was just, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm Wayne, just turned 32. I just want to be able to walk up to anyone and just talk to them with ease and not like, I guess, tell myself lies or, you know, just be comfortable in my own skin in that moment.
What is holding you back right now?
I don't know, fumbling in front of people. I guess what you hear, you never want to be that guy that's like harassing people or that's being annoying. It's funny because I've gotten to a point where I'm like, I'm telling myself excuses. I'm tired or they're too busy to do something.
Any last thought before we start?
No, let's go.
It's fine.
Hey, how you guys doing?
I also feel like
Came over to say hi. Saw you guys from over there, so I just wanted to say hi, see what's up.
I feel like all of this stuff.
What are you guys up to today?
Catching up.
Alright, you guys seem like you don't want to be bothered. Have a good one. It's alright. I'm not happy how I was physically. I felt like I was being intrusive. I wanted to go over and just kind of like build some rapport first before I kind of feed them a compliment. When you go and you compliment right away, they just kind of, you're just now every other guy, or you're
Not
just
really.
like.
No one does that. Do you know any? Do you have any friends who like grabs random girls' numbers during the day like that?
No, none here.
Okay. Also, what you have to realize is that when you give a compliment, it is not so much the compliment that is being communicated. It is the energy with which you give the compliment. Are you giving the compliment with ease? Are you giving it like you're talking to the Queen of England?
Also, I didn't want to give her a compliment because she just seems very put off.
Well, you have to understand that people are your mirror, right? So the reaction you got, you know, is the reaction that you inspired them. If you could rewind time and you could approach them in 1,000 different ways, you would get 1,000 different reactions.
I know, I realized like I was nervous and they could probably read my nervousness and it probably like...
It's not that they read it, it's contagious.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
There's nothing to it. You've talked to people all of your life. You're just gonna walk up to this girl, tell her she's cute, and ask her how her day is going. That's really it. There's nothing to it.
Okay. Hey, sorry, really quick. I thought you guys looked really nice today. Just wanted to come say hi.
Thank you. I have a boyfriend.
Okay. What about you?
I'm lesbian.
All right, have a good one.
But if you see a friend, you're never gonna be like, hey, really quick. It kind of implies already that you're gonna bother them.
I see.
So you should connect with the genuineness and excitement that makes you want to talk to this person. You're not doing homeworks. And then you were like, what about you?
Well, that was the one I wanted to talk to. So...
That was like, what do you mean, what about you? Like, that was so funny. I was like, what the fuck?
I was just, I don't know what I was thinking. Sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I just wanted to stop you. I thought you were really cute. I was sitting with my friend over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I
I
just
have a
wanted to...
boyfriend, by the way.
All right, well,
Yeah.
have a good one.
You too.
Nice.
Try to avoid you saying any contextualization. Oh, I was over there, I did this. Like, that, it's actually so much a sign that you're not present that you're actually speaking in the past tense.
I see.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
It's obvious that you were so around here. You know, you didn't just like skydived here. You know what I mean?
You know what's funny? Like, I've seen the videos of guys like doing that. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try my best not to do that. Or like, oh, I've done this. Like, I won't do that anymore. Like, I'm not gonna do that. And then I did all the things, like the.
Self-awareness is the hardest.
Excuse me. Sorry, can you hear me? I just thought you were really cute. Saw you from over there. ¿Cómo se dice? You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Wait, where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? Here? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Wait, leaving?
I'm not gonna dwell too much on this one, but just try to go slower.
Okay. Excuse me. Sorry. Hi. Sorry. You're really cute. Just wanted to come and say hi.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. What's your dog's name?
Talking.
Shiitake. Hey, Shiitake. I love Dachshunds. Yeah. I just wanted to come talk to you. Yeah. What's your name? I'm Wayne.
Nice to meet you.
Nice. What are you up to? Walking.
Dog, yeah.
No plans or what? Just enjoying the day?
Huh?
No plans?
Oh
You
yeah, I
ju-
have to get back to work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I actually just left my friend. Can I get your number before you go? Maybe
Oh,
get some
I
wine?
have a boyfriend. I'm sorry.
No worries.
But have a nice
Have a good one. Nice meeting you. It was fine. I could feel myself rushing. I need to like learn to like calm my nerves because I think once I'm in the interaction, I start to rush a little bit.
Yeah, because anxiety is always going to make you rush.
Yeah. Excuse me. Oh. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Sorry. I just wanted to stop you real quick because I thought you were cute.
Thank you.
What's your name? I'm Wayne. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Don't feel bad.
I'm sorry. Yeah. I wasn't sure how to approach. Like, you know.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. Yeah, I see you're busy, but yeah, I just wanted to get to know you for a little bit.
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, you
but
do?
Yeah.
It's okay.
I appreciate
Have a
it.
good one.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you. I felt more calm and collected, and
It's like you get to know someone by just talking to them.
Yeah.
So just talk to them. You don't need to announce it. You know, it's just a bit weird to announce it.
yeah, it's funny because like as I'm doing it, I'm like, fuck it, shut up. like, I think in that moment I just blanked, so I was just like, I want to get to know you. You know, it's like, so.
That's
but yeah.
that's because you're not present. If you were really present, you would have said something else.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah, I can feel the nerves going away, but it's like it's a gradual process, like you said. So, excuse me. Sorry.
Huh? What's up?
No, I just want to say you're very cute. I like your
Thank you.
outfit.
Thank you so much.
Can I? What's your name? I'm Wayne.
I'm kind of in a rush to get to my meeting, but
Well, can I get a drink with you or something?
you can add me on Instagram.
I don't have Instagram. Let me just get your number real
I
quick.
can't get my number out. I'm sorry.
All right. Have a good one.
I saw you make a move. I'm like, my man.
Thanks,
My
bro.
man trying. Not a lot of people wouldn't even try.
Yeah. Try.
Go at it. You just go at it.
Yeah, just try, right? Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
And when you say like, oh, like, what's your, oh, like, okay, let's get a drink. I don't know, like, it's
Sounds like begging almost.
yeah, you know, I almost wanted you to be like, okay, bye. You know, like,
Yeah.
almost, you know, like, don't force yourself.
Yeah.
I felt like you're not really grounded. It felt very slippery.
Yeah.
You know, I felt like you were trying to grab the moment, but like
Yeah.
you were like it was slipping. You know. You didn't seem so sure of what
Yeah,
you
I
were
wasn't
doing.
confident. I agree. Yeah.
But it's very important to realize that you're not a robot. There's no like
On
boom,
switch,
You know, So the more you talk to people, the more you are self-aware of that. Eventually, it's gonna fix itself. The most important is that you went for it. You wanted to talk to her. You did. That's all that really matters, you know, in the long term. You know.
Okay.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
I'd just say it's a process. You're not gonna get it out the first time, and the more you do it, the more your confidence builds. So, yeah, that's all I can say.
Actually, today is a bit gloomy in New York. It started raining, so we're gonna call it a day, and we'll do day 2.
Hi, excuse me. Just saying how you're a friend. Surprise, of course. I just left my friend back there to catch up with you.
Any last words?
Peace.